We do have our next topic, straight lines. In straight line, the very first thing is we do have some revision of coordinate geometry of class 10. That is, first is all of you know the x and y axis and all the four coordinates. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive, and in second quadrant, like here, x axis, y axis, first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, x and y both are positive. In second quadrant, your x will be negative and y will be positive. In third quadrant, your x is negative, y will also be negative, and in fourth quadrant, x will be positive and y will be negative. Right? Then we do have our distance formula. If 2 points are given, we can find the distance between 2 points. If 2 points are given, let us say A, B, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then distance AB between these 2 points is given by x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square and its under root. This is the distance formula. And then we have section formula. If A and B divides by P in the ratio m/n, and A or B are given x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the coordinates of P we need to find if this ratio is given m/n, and this is for internal division. Then your coordinates of P will be m into x2, n into x1, m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. This is x coordinate. Y coordinate will be m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. And if this division will be external division, external division will be like A, B and P point will be external outside this A and B, and this ratio is AP is m and BP will be n, and A and B are given x1, y1, x2, y2. Then in that case, coordinates of P, formula is same, just a negative sign everywhere in place of plus sign. We'll have m into x2 minus n into x1 upon m minus n, m into y2 minus n into y1 upon m minus n. This is for external division. And that we know, if we need to find the ratio and A, B and P points are given, if we need to find the ratio, then let the ratio be k ratio 1. Put this same formula and find the value of k. That will be your required ratio, k. Then according to section formula, we do have midpoint formula. If A and B, M is the midpoint, and points are given x1, y1, x2, y2, then coordinates of M will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. these will be the coordinates of M. In that case, midpoint formula is there. Then we have area of triangle if vertices are given x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, then area of this triangle will be half x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Take any point here at first place and then repeat the first place, that is x1 y1. Now how to solve it, that we know that half of x1 into y2 minus x2 into y1, x1 into y2 minus x2 into y1 plus next x2 into y3 minus x3 into y2, x3 into y3 minus x3 into y2 plus x3 into y1 minus x1 into y3. So this will be an area of triangle. By using this concept area of triangle, we can find the area of any polygon. Like, just note it down first.